I spotted some tracks in the snow and put a camera up and discovered it is the feral cat. I call her Miss Mackerel, who made her little home as a castle underneath this bale of hay or straw. I call her Miss Mackerel because of the mackerel coat. And one of her kittens I kept, and I call him Minnow. And he's a very sweet boy. Oh, and here comes the foxhound on his daily rounds. And this was the surprise. I have never seen this cat before that particular day. And then he's started hanging around all the time. I did hear that he visited several of the neighbors too, but he seems to have settled on our place as being where he wants to live. He is Minnow's little shadow. He follows Minnow everywhere. Minnow's actually not so sure that he wants to have a little brother, but I have to admit, I've fallen for that little orange cat.